Hi students, what we learned last day? One identity we learned, new identity. It is a plus b plus c whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Today we can learn another two identities. Okay, so first one it is a plus b whole cube. Okay, a plus b whole cube, that is equal to, as we know, a plus b into a plus b whole square, it is equal to a plus b whole cube. Its power is 1 and here 2. Adding together we will get a plus b whole cube. Okay, and also we know a plus b whole square is, expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This equation we already learned, this identity. Now multiply each term with a of this one. A into a square is a cube plus a into 2ab is 2a square b plus ab square. Multiply like this. Each term we are multiplying with a and b a square or a square b. Okay, plus b into 2ab, that is 2ab square, and another term is b cube. Now just we rearranging a cube, like terms we are adding 2a square b. One more a square b is there, that is adding together we will get 3a square b plus here ab square and here also 2ab square. Adding together we will get 3ab square and last term is b cube. So this is the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This one important identity, and this we can rearrange and write like this also. A cube plus b cube we are taking first, and from these two we are taking 3ab common and writing a plus b in the bracket. It is same. Okay, better you have to learn to by heart like this. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Both it is same. So this is the identity. Today's first identity is a plus b whole cube. And one more identity is there. It is a minus b whole cube. Can you say what will be its expansion? Here a plus b whole cube means all the terms are positive. A minus b whole cube means you have to just do like this. You will get the answer as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You can check by multiply like this. So this is the answer. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, here two terms are negative and two terms are positive. Here all the terms are positive. That is the difference. A plus b whole cube means there are 4 terms. Expansion 4 terms are there. All these 4 terms are positive. In a minus b whole cube, here also 4 terms are there, but here 2 terms are negative. This order you have to remember. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we can solve some questions using these two identities. First question is expand 3a plus 4b whole cube. This is in the form a plus b whole cube. So first you have to write the identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is our identity. First you have to write this identity. Now our question 3a plus 4b whole cube. Substituting the value of a. Instead of a, here it is 3a. Instead of b, here it is 4b. So substitute here. It becomes 3a whole cube plus 3a square. Here a square. Instead of a square, you have to write 3a. It's a square. B means 4b plus 3 into A. B means 4B, its square, plus B cube is 4B whole cube. It is equal to 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. It is 27A cube. Plus here 3 into 4 it is 12. 3A square it is 9A square. Here one B is there that we are writing. Plus 3 into 3 it is 9A into here it is 16B square plus 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 16 into 4 it is 64B cube. That is equal to 27A cube plus 12 into 9 108 A square B 108 A square B plus 16 into 9 144. So 144 A B square plus 64 B cube. If you know the identity means it is very easy to write the expansion. Okay, this is the answer. First you want to write its identity. Which identity we are using here? Here plus sign, so we are taking A plus B whole cube and we are writing the identity. After that question writing, substituting the values, we will get, after that solving, we will get 3A plus 4B whole cube is equal to 27A cube plus 108 A square B plus 144 AB square plus 64 B cube. All are making the mistake here. Sometimes they are not taking the bracket. If it is not taking the bracket means 4B cube they are writing, we are not considering 4. So here and here all these steps you have to put the bracket, then only the answer will correct. I think this is also very simple to expand. If you know the identity, then the answer is very simple. Our second question, expand 5p minus 3q whole cube. Here it is in the form A minus B. Here sign is subtraction. So we are writing the identity as A minus B whole cube. As we know, the identity is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. This is the identity. Now substituting this value, same method. 5p minus 3q whole cube, that is equal to, instead of A we have to write it as 5p. So 5p its whole cube minus 3a square. It means 5p square into a square b. B is 3q plus 3ab square. A means 5p, b means 3q. Its square minus b cube. 3q whole cube. Okay. 5 cube. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125 p cube minus, first you check 3 and 3 here it is. So 9. 5 square is 25 p square cube. One variable also there. Plus 3 into 5 is 15 p. Its square it is 9 q square minus 3 cube 27 q cube. Again we are solving 125 p cube minus 25 into 9 225. So minus 225 p square cube 225 p square cube plus 15 into 9. 15 into 9. 135. 135 pq square minus 27q cube. So our answer 5p minus 3q, its whole cube is equal to this one. 125 p cube minus 225 p square cube plus 135 pq square minus 27 cube. So like this expand question is coming means you have to check which identity you want to use. According to the question, we are selecting the identity. Here the question is 5p minus 3q. So it is in the form a minus b and cube is there. So a minus b whole cube. And write the identity and solve. Okay. Now using this identity we can evaluate. The question is evaluate 104 cube, 104 cube. Last year we learned 102 square is 100 plus 2 whole square. And we are finding with these identities. No need to multiply 102 into 102. Like this here also 104 whole cube means we can apply the identity a plus b whole cube form. So we can write 104 as 100 plus 4. Now it's a cube means it's a cube. Okay. Now this is in the form a plus b whole cube. Write the identity a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we are writing 100 plus 4 whole cube is equal to, see here instead of a is it is 100, instead of b it is 4. So 100 cube plus 3 into a square 100 square b is 4 plus 3 into a b square 100 into b square is 4 square plus b cube 4 cube. Applying identity and solving this 100 cube 100 square. So first you have to check how many zeros are there. Here 2 0 means in cube square 2 more 0 will come, cube 2 more 0. So total 6 zeros will be there. Plus 3 into 4 it is 12. 100 square is 4 0 will be there. Plus 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 48 and 2 zeros will be there. This 100. 4 cube is 64. One more time we can write this as plus 12 1,20,000 plus 4,800 plus 64. All these terms are positive, so we can add. Plus, how many zeros are there? From here it is easy to write this way. 4, 8, 0, 0 and 64. Adding 4, 6, 8, 4, 2, 1, 1. So, we can write so it is we are writing and writing the answer as 11,24,864. Without multiplying we are finding the value of 104 whole cube using identity, that is evaluate. I think it is very easy. So if you are multiplying 104 3 times means it is a lengthy step. This method we can apply for finding 104 whole cube identity. Our next question, evaluate 999 whole cube. So this 999 whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. See, 999 means 1000 minus 1. So this is in the form a minus b whole cube. Identity we have to write first, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, all questions we have to write first identity. Now 1000 minus 1 whole cube is equal to 1000 cube minus 3a square. 1000 square, b is 1 plus 3 into 1000 into b square, it is 1 square minus b cube is 1 cube. Look here, 1000 cube. How many zeros are here? 3 0. So one more time 3 0. One more time 3 0 means its cube will become minus 3 into 1 is 3. 1000 square. It is again 3 0 you have to add. Plus multiplying time 3 into 1000. This 3000 itself minus 1. See here some terms are positive and some terms are negative. So like this question means first add to positive terms together and negative terms together. That is easy. Here we have to multiply first. Three into this number we will get a one more 0 plus 3000 minus 1. First you have to add these two numbers. So we have to add, how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 plus 3000. We have to add together. So we will get 0, 0, 3, again 0, 0, 0, 0. It is completed? No. One more 0 is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is correct. Okay. Now we have to add two negative numbers that I am adding here. This, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. Plus minus 1 we are adding. So I will get a minus 1, 0, 0. Again 3 zeros and 3. Okay. One it is positive term and it is negative. So we have to subtract this 1, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros we have to write? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3. Now we have to subtract, then we will get the answer. So it is 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, 9. Here it becomes 2, 0, 0. Okay, subtract, then 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. It is 9. Here it is 9. So the answer is this much. So we can read it as 99 crore 70 lakh 2999. So the last answer we can write this. Clear this step. Here two terms are positive and two terms are negative. First add both positive terms together and add the negative terms. After that you have to subtract. This is the method. One more time I am repeating. First you have to write, it is in the form a plus b or a minus b. Here it is a minus b form, it is suitable. So we are writing 999 is 1000 minus 1 whole cube. And we are expanding with this identity a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This identity we are applying here and finding the value. The last answer we can write it as 999 cube is equal to 99 crore 70 lakh 2999. This is the last answer for this one. Clear for you? Okay. Our next question is factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. So factorize means first you have to check which identity you want to use here. In this expansion or the given question is contains 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Among these, first two terms are cube form. It means a cube plus b cube. All these are positive. Surely it is in the form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b is this one. This one is 3ab square. So we can check it is correct or not. First you have to take this first two terms cubic root. That is 8x cube. We can write it as 2x whole cube. And 27 by cube we can write it as 3y whole cube. Is it correct? Okay, 8x cube we can write as 2x whole cube. 27 by cube we can write as 3y whole cube. Now you have to check this as, we have to remember this as our a. A is equal to 2x and b we can take it as 3y. Now we are taking this question 8x cube plus 27 by cube plus 36x square y plus 54x y square is equal to, in terms of this a and b we are writing. It means 2x a cube. That identity you have to remember and write like this. A cube plus b cube. B cube. It is 3y whole cube. Plus, what is our next term? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. First you have to write this on the working column and substitute the values. So next term is 3 into a square means, now you have to check here, 2x whole square into 3y plus 3ab square, that is equal to 3 into a means 2x, b square is 3y whole square. Now check your, compare now, 2x cube is 8x cube, 3y cube is 27y cube. Now look here, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 4, 36 x square y. This term is the 36 x square y. Next 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 9, here 3 square is 9. 6 into 9 is 54 x y square. All these terms are there. Now we can write, this is the expansion of 2x plus 3y whole cube. Okay. So the factors we can write it as 3x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. 3 times you have to write, that is the factor. Okay. So it is very simple. You want to find out what is a and what is b here by finding from this cubic root. That we have to write first and write the identity on the right side in your working column. After that, you just apply this identity here. Surely this answer, when we are comparing this answer, it will be equal. Then we can write it is in the form a plus b whole cube. What is a here? 2x and b is 3y. Now we are writing factors like this. So the given question's factors is 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. I think if you know this identity, means everything, expansion and factorization, everything is very easy. Okay, what we learned today's, which identity? A plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Last class, a plus b plus c whole square. All this identity you have to learn by heart. Then only we can solve all the questions. Okay, study well. Thank you.